In front of me is Motorola Moto G 2025, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and tapping on Allow or while using in all available pop-ups. When you finished, use this gear on the left to tap on voice quality and adjust it. To start recording, click on this big button at the bottom. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To delete it right away, click on the left one. And to end it and save it, on the right one. Then name it and hit save. If you want to access your recording, you need to make sure recorder is off and then click on this button with 3 lines available on the right. To play your recording, click on it, and to manage it, you need to hold it and operate all of those options at the top, like delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!